1. Which file extension is used for a SOLIDWORKS part file? A. .sldasm B. .slddraw C. .sldprt D. .sldpart 2. In SOLIDWORKS, which feature is used to add material to a sketch profile? A. Extrude cut B. Extruded boss or base C. Revolved cut D. Sweep cut 3. Which plane is not a default plane in SOLIDWORKS? A. Front plane B. Top plane C. Right plane D. Left plane 4. To create a symmetrical feature, which option should you use in the extrude boss or base command? A. Mid-plane B. Blind C. Offset D. Through all 5. What does the Convert Entities tool do? A. Creates a 3D feature. B. Copies and pastes sketches. C. Projects edges of a model onto a sketch plane. D. Converts a part to an assembly. Six. How can you create a rounded edge along a part in SOLIDWORKS? A. Chamfer B. Fillet C. Loft D. Shell 7. Which tool would you use to create a hole that is counterbored? A. Extruded cut B. Hole wizard C. Circular pattern D. Draft 8. In assemblies, which constraint prevents two parts from moving relative to each other? A. Mate B. Sweep C. Loft D. Shell 9. What is the function of the Pack and Go tool? A. Exports files to PDF. B. Assembles parts automatically. C. Gathers all referenced files into one folder. D. Creates a motion study. 10. Which of the following is used to mirror a part in an assembly? A. Mirror component B. Mirror feature C. Linear pattern. D. Circular pattern. (11) What is a sweep feature used for? A. Creating holes. B. Creating a solid along a path. C. Cutting material along a path. D. Adding draft to faces. (12) Which tool would you use to create a tapered wall on a part? A. Chamfer. B. Draft. C. Fillet. D. Loft. (13) In which situation would you use the loft feature? A. To connect multiple profiles with varying shapes. B. To create a cylindrical part. C. To mirror parts. D. To pattern features. (14) Which analysis tool in SOLIDWORKS is used for measuring stress and displacement? A. Motion study. B. Simulation express. C. Rendering. D. Draft analysis. (15) How can you apply a texture to a part in SOLIDWORKS? A. Use appearances. B. Use loft. C. Use fillet. D. Use sweep. (16) To create a hollow part with uniform wall thickness, you would use A. Shell. B. Draft. C. Fillet. D. Chamfer. (17) Which feature allows creating multiple instances of a feature along an axis? A. Linear pattern. B. Circular pattern. C. Sweep. D. Mirror. (18) What is the primary purpose of configurations in SOLIDWORKS? A. To create different design variations within a single file. B. To export files. C. To apply materials. D. To simulate motion. (19) Which feature removes material along a helical path? A. Thread. B. Helix cut. C. Sweep cut. D. Revolve cut. (20) What does fully defined mean in a sketch? A. All sketch entities are black. B. All sketch entities are blue. C. Some entities are undefined. D. Sketch is not constrained. (21) Which tool allows for collision detection in assemblies? A. Interference detection. B. Mirror. C. Sweep. D. Draft. (22) In a drawing, which view shows an object as if it were cut in half? A. Section view. B. Detail view. C. Auxiliary view. D. Exploded view. (23) How can you hide a part in an assembly? A. Right-click, then choose Hide Component. B. Suppress. C. Delete. D. Mirror. CSWA. The Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate or CSWA is an entry-level certification that demonstrates a person's proficiency in using SOLIDWORKS, a leading computer-aided design or CAD software. This certification proves that the individual has a solid understanding of fundamental 3D modeling and design skills, including creating and editing parts, building assemblies, and producing detailed engineering drawings. The CSWA exam tests candidates on their ability to use essential SOLIDWORKS features such as extrusions, revolves, sweeps, patterns, and mates, as well as their knowledge of materials, mass properties, and basic dimensioning techniques. Successfully earning the CSWA certification highlights a candidate's readiness for entry-level positions in mechanical design and engineering, making it a valuable credential for students, designers, and professionals starting their careers in the field. Here are 5 top beneficial uses of CSWA. 1. Career advancement. The CSWA certification serves as a recognized credential that proves your SOLIDWORKS skills to potential employers. It enhances your resume and can help you stand out when applying for entry-level positions in mechanical design, engineering, and manufacturing. 2. Skill validation. Passing the CSWA exam demonstrates your ability to effectively use SOLIDWORKS tools for 3D modeling, part and assembly creation, and engineering drawings. This validation of skills boosts your confidence and proves your competence in handling real-world design tasks. 3. Increased productivity. The knowledge gained while preparing for the CSWA helps you use SOLIDWORKS more efficiently. This means you can complete tasks faster, minimize errors, and handle complex projects with greater accuracy and speed. 4. Foundation for advanced certifications. The CSWA certification is a stepping stone for higher-level SOLIDWORKS certifications, such as the Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional or CSWP and Certified SOLIDWORKS Expert or CSWE. It builds a strong foundation for advancing your expertise and career in CAD design. 5. Industry recognition. Being CSWA certified demonstrates that you meet the standards set by Dassault Systems, the developer of SOLIDWORKS. This industry recognition can help you gain the trust of employers, colleagues, and clients, making it easier to work on collaborative projects and secure freelance opportunities.